Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel, we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing, update methods, and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can edit your Facebook create page name. If you have a Facebook create page and you want to edit the name, this is how to go about it. This is how to go about it. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, head over to your Facebook account. You already have a Facebook account. And if you need a Facebook account, then you need the create page, that the create page is actually opening, kindly DM me. We'll help you to open the create page and we'll send you the log you stand. So once you are here now, maybe you buy a account that you have, maybe you have an account that already has create page you stand. Like this account now, they already create the page name. So all you need to do to edit the name and put it to edit the name and use the one that and put the name you want stand. You just go to the profile, go to the three dots, just click on the three dots stand, locate the account, the create page stand. Let's switch to the create page. This is the create page. This is the page already. So the page is blush beauties. So that I'll be switching to that now. Let me switch to it stand. Let's wait for it to switch stand. It's very simple. So just follow this my guide step by step stand. So if you are using iPhone, just same way you start. So let's skip all this. Okay, so now all you need to do is just click on the 3 9 again. 3 9 stand, locate where settings is stand. Just click on settings. Okay, click on the settings button, then you scroll down and look for page setup. Once you click on page setup, you wait, let's wait for it to load. So once you are on this interface now, okay, this is the name. So it's very easy, just click on the name, then you can put the name you want to stand. So let me just say, let me use this name. So maybe you already have the name you want to use. So I already have the name you want to use, so I'll just come to this place and edit it and put the name stand. Then click on review change. Once you click on review change stand, click on submit for approval. Once you click it, so they will change the name stand, so you can see it. So that is how to edit your page name stand. That is how to edit your page name. That is it. You already edited. Now you can go back stand. You can go back and refresh our account stand. If you refresh it or you go to the page, you can see it now. This is the page now. You can see I already edited. And if you want to edit the category, as we edit the page name, the category will still be the same thing. So this is the category. You see health/beauty. That is the category. If you want to edit that, just click on the category part. Just click on it. Once you click on it, they will give you option like this. Then you click on this button that has edit stuff here. So you click on the edit, then you can edit this thing like this. Now I can put like actor, then I'll save it instant. So that is how you can edit your category also. So that is all in this video. If you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for more updates. See you in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.